viewers, yeah, I'm Marcus Allen, yeah, it's Relic here. I'm going to show you how to make bread, dead simple this, with a food mixer. I filled the mixing bowl with 500 grams of just plain flour, doesn't have to be strong, plain flour will do, just follow these instructions, right. Got some dry, fast acting yeast, I'm going to pour that in, 7 grams there, at one side of the bowl, and then I've got 10 grams of salt and I'm going to put that on the other side of the bowl. You don't mix the yeast with the salt. If you do, you don't get the bread to rise. So we're going to use a sturdy mixing machine and a dough hook. You need a dough hook. Don't start it unless you've got one of these, okay? Right, what I'm going to do now is just mix the flour with the salt and the yeast with a long handle. Wooden spoon, use the handle just to mix it together. Okay, happy with that. Now, 2 tablespoonfuls of good oil, just plonk it in the middle. 1, 2, jolly good. Right, we're ready for the mixer. Right. Okay, we've got the mixer set up now, oil, flour, yeast, salt, and we're just going to set the mixer on level 2 and mix the oil in, then very slowly add the water, okay? And what you're looking for is a very smooth dough, okay? Right, while your dough's mixing, just put a drop of oil in a large mixing bowl, and then what we're going to do, I use a pastry brush very quickly, try and cover all the sides, because we're going to put the dough in the centre here, but it will rise almost to the top of this bowl, believe it or not. Once it's in, we're going to cover it with cling film and leave it for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until it's trebled in size. You'll see, it will do it. Okay, the dough's ready now. It's very smooth, very elastic. It's ready to transfer into the mixing bowl. Okay. Right, we're going to leave that 2.5 to 3 hours. Right, viewers, look at the size of that beauty. 2.5 hours, and that's pretty good. Look at the size of that from what we did earlier. Right, I'm going to pour some flour down on this work surface, and we're going to do something which is known as knocking it back. Knocking it back. Yeah, I've had a few knockbacks in my life. Like these Marcus Allen. There you go. Right, just going to tip the dough out. And if you notice, it's not really stuck that much. A little bit there. A bit careless that. But so that's why we put some oil on the bowl. So, use a bit of flour. You want this sticky. We're just going to flatten it. Use your knuckles. now you roll it from the top, if it sticks a bit, use a scraper, as tight as you can, roll it and then go back the other way, okay? So you've got a sausage and then I'm going to fold the ends over and I've got what resembles a loaf shape. And now I've torn off some baking paper and I've got a loaf tin here. Put some lining paper, baking paper, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to drop this loaf shape now in the pan. There we go. Okay. I'm going to trim the paper to make it tidy for you. Right viewers, it's ready now for what they call proving. So, what I do, I use a bin liner, white bin liner, and I'm just going to basically put the loaves in the bin liner, leave it covered for about an hour. We want that to rise again, hopefully double in size. Okay? Right, we've waited about an hour. Not with that, it has risen. When we put it in, it was in the tin. Look, it's doubled in size there. So I'm going to put it in the oven, gas mark 6. But before I do that, I'm just going to spray up just a tiny little bit of water on it. A little bit of water. And then, very gently, you don't want to knock the air out with this. Very gently. And you just want to just dust it. A little dust in there. On the top. And this is going to go in the oven, gas mark 6, 25 minutes, and then gas mark 4 for another 10. You'll see it turn golden brown, and when it comes out of the oven, when you're looking to turn it upside down, tap the bottom, and it should sound hollow. If it sounds hollow, you've got a good loaf there. Okay. Right, brush out the oven this. Should just slide out with the tin. It is very hot, so you need oven gloves, trust me. Too warm. Just trying to get a feel for the bottom. Oh yeah, that sounds lovely that. So you just peel your baking paper off and look at that. There you go. Hey, Relic's a master baker. Hey, right.